Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize e-filing W-2 and 1099 with TaxBandits, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing e-filing for W-2 and 1099 forms with TaxBandits, start by visiting the TaxBandits website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your TaxBandits account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the W-2 or 1099 option, depending on which form you want to authorize. For W-2 forms, click on the e-file W-2 option. For 1099 forms, choose the e-file 1099 option. Next, you will be prompted to enter the required information for the form. Fill in the details, including the employer's information and employee details for W-2 or payer and recipient details for 1099. After entering the required information, review all entries for accuracy. Once you confirm that the information is correct, proceed to the authorization step. Look for the Authorize e-filing button. Click on this button to initiate the authorization process. You will need to enter your electronic filing identification number, or EFIN, if applicable. If you do not have an EFIN, you may need to apply through the IRS. After entering the required identification information, read through the consent and authorization agreement. Make sure to understand the terms before proceeding. Once ready, click the Agree or Authorize button to sign the authorization electronically. TaxBandits will then generate a confirmation of your authorization. Save or print this confirmation for your records. You have now successfully authorized e-filing for W-2 or 1099 forms with tax. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your submission. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the help section or contact customer support. Your forms are now ready for e-filing with the IRS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.